Yeah.
Welcome. What's your name?
My name is Alfandi.
How old are you?
I'm 25.
Where are you from?
I come from Lotmias, one of the Iceland's smallest from Indonesia.
What are you going to do for us today?
So I just want to play the guitar. I don't sing, and hopefully you can enjoy it this time with me.
That's awesome. We don't want to hold you up. We're excited to see what you got.
Okay, thank you so much.